Alrighty guys, today we're going to be putting together the Furinno 4-shelf shoe rack. Thank you Furinno for sponsoring this video. And remember, Furinno fits your space, fits your budget. So, pretty simple setup here. No tools required. Take less than 10 minutes. You got your 4 legs, okay? They came in one package. I'm sorry, there's two. All 4 of your shelves are the same size. Well, the same size, and the holes are all in the same place. All you're going to do, pick one up. These legs go in the bottom of those holes, right? That's not hard. So get those lined up. And there we go. And with those 4 lined up, next thing you do is you grab 4 of these plastic tube things, and you just right into the foot. It's threaded, so you just set it down in there and spin her until she's attached. Now I'm going to go loosely for now, just to get them all 4 started. Then we'll tighten them down. So see, that's going to pull the foot up from the bottom. I'm going to attach the foot to the bottom of the wood. And it's going to give you the base to build to the next shelf. So, I would call this a compression fit, because the tighter you make this, the tighter it's going to be on here. So, all right, with those 4 in, all you do is you take your next shelf and you set it right on top. Make sure the top of those pieces go right in to the holes. And then you grab your next 4 spacers and you put those in. Straight into the hole, straight into the spacer that was right below this one. Get those somewhat tight there. Easy. And then from there, you just continue the same process, right? Next shelf. The bumps of those up into the holes. Grab your next 4 spacers. Yeah, helps if you line it up, right? They really did make this easy to put together. And I think it looks pretty good for what it is. I mean, I don't remember what I paid. We'll put a link for this down below in the description if you want to check them out, though. Show them a little bit of love. But we got a couple more pieces of their furniture to put together, so we got several pieces. So if you like this, I might want to create a playlist to show the rest of their stuff that I got. Okay, with that shelf in, next thing to do, put that top shelf on. Of course, those go right through the holes again. Only thing that's left now is to put the caps on the top, which is 4 caps, and they just screw right into those holes. So we just take these caps right here, right into the hole, right into the plastic piece that we just put in. We'll screw those down. I might want to say you probably don't have to use this as a shoe rack. I'm sure you could use it for whatever you want, But they do have it labeled as a shoe rack, and so that's what I'm going to use it as. Just because I do have quite a few shoes that I want to get up off the ground. Alrighty, she's together. She's sturdy. Look at that. Shake it around, don't hear nothing moving. Really happy with this. Nice, quick, easy to put together, and it looks decent. Now, if you'll excuse the mess, I just moved some stuff out of the way to be able to put my shoes up here. So we got it sitting over here by the door. I can get my shoes set up on it nice and neat. And of course, I gotta go find the other shoes. I got some, I could put this at the back door too, because I got a lot of shoes back there. Or I can just bring those shoes up here and actually get them off the floor at the back room. But look at that. Nice, neat, quick, easy to put together. Looks good. Does its purpose. Holds the shoes. What more could you ask for? And it didn't cost an arm and a leg, guys. This thing, I don't remember how much it cost me, but it was... Alright, guys, I did double check the price on this. $33 and some change. So, for $33, you can get a nice little stand. It's easy to put together. No tools required. Hold your shoes. And looks good. Hey, I'm sorry about how dark it is in this room. Got no lights in here. So, really apologize for that. If you found this video useful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you thought that was pretty cool, go check them out. The link's down below in the description. It is an affiliate link, so I do get a small commission if you make a purchase. But that's not affecting my opinion of this, because my opinion on this is the price is right. I think, what, $33 and some change? That's a good price for me. And it looks good. Solid. I mean, you can shake it around. It's not moving. I mean, the pieces aren't moving individually or anything. It's solid. I could probably sit on it. Although I don't recommend that because I'm pretty sure it's not meant to hold my big butt. Pretty sure that's not what it's supposed to do. Shoes. Shoes, guys. Shoes aren't heavy. I'm heavy. Bye! Alrighty, guys. Today we're going to be putting together the... I don't know how to speak.